What's up, some boys and girls, DNAs and what's it? Today we are going to be playing 1v1 with everygun, and I know, like all of you, you would like to do the private settings. But no, baby, we're turning it to public, and we are going to crush it. I hope. Because I still had to unlock that one gun and the birthday launcher that do major damage. And I have the turret just in case as backup, and a shockwave launcher. So, I basically already told you my loadout. Major weapons, but I will be able to escape, attack, and escape. Also, if you want some tips on 1v1 with everygun, use the shockwave rocket launcher with the balloons. Hashtag balloons stay in. Hashtag keeps balloon in game. Loading in fun. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know what note it is. Maybe on the different song, but you just know to copy itself. Just going to wait, waiting, wait, hey. Oh, we're in. Okay. Step one. Yeah, we can't actually do that yet. There's actually one thing I want to do. I believe it was heavy shotgun. Head over here. What is this? Oh, it is that. Yeah. We'll be right back. Yeah, now I have rusty cans to throw at people. Ooh, not bad. I can be Bushman. Bush camp. Purple wave grenade. Wouldn't it be cool? Because me and my friend literally tried to get this. And when we did once get this, because I was shockwaving us, we weren't able to get it because I kept shockwaving us. So I was basically the worst friend of that day. Ew, was there a grimace shake in there? Oh. OMG! Oh! Is this the crap? No! No! Oh my god! I almost it! Okay, that's my friend. I have a bajillion chance, I think. Okay, I got my phone. I just got the Grappler Shotgun. It only took me 5 tries. Taking photo. He's gonna be so shocked and excited. Boom! Oh, sweet! Okay, well, we just got an exotic, I believe. It's an exotic. Yeah, this is gonna be so cool to use. Alright, this is gonna be also in my loadout, but this is gonna be on the side. I like this because you can literally run with this equipped. You can also run with this equipped, and it just looks weird. Oh, shoot. Does it only grapple me if I take damage? Or if I only do damage to people? Anyway, I'm just gonna camp right here. Strange little bush. Whee! Yeah! Yeah, we're gonna need this. Too bad I don't have the boogie bombs. Oh yeah, if you can tell me how to get the boogie bombs in the comments, that would be good. Good, because I really don't know how. Infinite minigun. If you don't know how to get that, let me show you. You want to get this. Go over to this corner. And I'm gonna place this just for some extra security. So you want to basically do this. And it's a glass bridge from Squid Game. It'd be funny if you just shoot it. But I actually have the pattern if you want it. And you all are very loyal. So of course I will give you the pattern. It is right, left, right, right, left, left, and then after that it's right, right, left, left, right. And that's how you basically get the infinite minigun! So it may look like it normally fills up, but after a while, just wait. Go! It's still firing. There we go. And... ooh, quad launcher. I'm gonna burst this and see who reacts. Hey, bye! I just eliminated a player! Oh my god, someone has a rainbow sniper. Give to me rainbow snipe. Boom. So I exploded myself. I'm going... yeet this! No. They're having a little fight here. They're doing a turret. They all have turrets. Why do they all have turrets? There's too much deadliness. Deadly loneliness attacks. Oh my. I'm losing my mind. Okay, you know what? Step out. First quad! Oh, shoot. First quad! I don't care if I take damage. I'm taking somebody down with me on that quote. Yeah, take some damage. What if I just yeet them into it? Like I make a little camping setup. That'd be perfect. Okay, make my way through. Make my way through. Aim this and escape. Please don't take down my turret. Please don't take down my turret. The turret's still there, isn't it? You dare take down Turney? Yeah, I told you. See? Don't mess with me. D! Rainbow Sniper dude! Why are people targeting me? I mean, I'm just a chill guy. I'm just a chill guy. Yeet! Get him! Oh my god, I took that player down. Also, why does this look so weird when I'm gliding with the gun? You know what? I don't know what would happen if I kill switch jumped them. Or what if I did this to them? They would be so mad. Yeet. Bam! They get a boom. The boom. Fight. Take him down. Take him down. Take him down. Dang it, I missed. Oh, my computer's running low. Well, I'm gonna end this video. See you guys next time I make my video. And comment down below what you want me to play as the next number in 1v1 with every gun. And comment who in this video I killed if you are them. And I will rocket launch you into that subscribe button. So yes, please. I'm trying to get to 1,000. That is my goal. And if you don't feel like it, you don't have to like, subscribe, or comment. I'm not trying to force you. I'm just trying to get famous. Subscriber famous. Alright, anyway, bye-bye.